Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education. Checking in on the tech sector, so the bulls hit a new all-time high today, but then saw some profit taking at the end of the day. So normal healthy consolidation will be anticipated in the short term. We will likely start tomorrow with the upper Bollinger Band as resistance after it has been support for the last 3 days in breakout mode. And we actually did close right on it, so it's going to start higher tomorrow, obviously. And if we do break the low, 53.97, 53.92, our short-term consolidation targets are going to be gap fills. So 53.84 fills a gap, 53.31 fills a gap, and we're going to be watching the volume on this consolidation. So because of the bull break and the big-time run to start the week, we are going to anticipate normal healthy consolidation, and the red flags would be increasing bear volume and obviously big red candlesticks. So anything other than that is normal and healthy. On the weekly time frame, bulls still following through. Nice control. We've got a bull flag leading to continuation, and there is nothing for the bulls to worry about right now. No red flag, 2 weeks to go, or 2 days to go left in the trading day. So we'll be watching to see if we were to drop back down and close the week at 53.75 or lower. It would be a bearish reversal doji, but again, after the strength we've been seeing in the sector, it's going to take clear red flags on the daily time frame on this consolidation for it to be anything other than normal and healthy. So Apple is pulling back, unable to get a new all-time high, 145.46, 144.90, and consolidating. We'll look to test this middle Bollinger Band support first thing. That's going to be 142.96. And then there's also gaps here as well. 142.68 is a gap. We've got the consolidation low of 140.06. Anything above 140.06 maintains a higher low pattern and keeps those bulls in control. So obviously the bulls would have liked to have seen higher highs, and the Apple bulls are looking over at Google and Facebook longingly watching these bull breakouts and new all-time highs, but the bulls are still certainly in control. And the weekly time frame healthy as well. Just a little bit of an upper wick. We saw the all-time high weekly candlestick looking very similar to this one. It would only be a red flag from here on the weekly time frame if we were unable to break to a new all-time high, and then we broke that 140.06 level, because that would be a lower high and then a lower low, likely seeing a bearish MACD and a bearish TCG cross, losing these exponentials. So it's really all about 140.06 for the midterm if you are bullish, and if you're scouting a bearish entry, a break of 140.06 would be a clear entry signal. But again, not anticipating that to happen unless we see some increasing bear volume. Facebook new all-time high. We have seen an all-time high now 4 out of the last 5 days in Facebook, showing that strength. And the upper Bollinger Band is support. This is a bit of a bearish reversal, spinning top candlestick, closing closer to the low than the high, obviously. And we're watching to see if we lose this upper Bollinger Band, which indicates normal, healthy, short-term consolidation is coming after this breakout. Same thing, we have a gap at 145.67 to be watching, and then one down at 144.17. Those will be our targets if we do get this consolidation, and a break of the low of today, 146.09, will increase the odds of confirming this bearish reversal candlestick significantly. Weekly time frame, very, very strong. Bull flag confirmation and follow through. No red flags here. And we'll see how much consolidation we get over the next couple of days. That's going to shape what these weekly candlesticks look like. So we'll keep checking back in as always to see what this consolidation looks like and whether it is normal and healthy or whether there are any red flags. I appreciate you watching, and we will see you tomorrow.